Hi folks, at stratapp we're great fans of Simon Sinek and his work around starting with why. And what better place for us to start than to ask the questions from the perspective of our own clients and the people that are going to use stratapp. So let's do that. Can you show me your strategy and plans and the progress at each level? And can you do that on your mobile, clicking straight through to the execution of those plans? And can we all see, thank and reply to people engaging at each level of the strategy tree hierarchy? Right through goals, objectives, actions, and projects. And can we do that from our mobile? And if you were to write a detailed 12-month plan, how fast would it be out of date? Would it be weeks? Certainly within a few months. In today's world, everything's moving so quickly. And can you show me your KPIs and OKRs and how these evolve and cascade down through the organization on your mobile? And can every employee do the same, including showing us the status of each? Imagine being able to walk into a canteen or meeting or any other environment and every employee can just show you straight on their mobile, hey, these are the 3 or 4 things I'm responsible for, and here's the status as of now. At what point does it become difficult to engage and align everyone? Some would say it's maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 people. Others say it's up to 500. In my experience, it's somewhere around that 25, maybe 50. It starts to get really difficult to keep momentum, everyone moving in the same direction, not to dilute the culture and keep up that same sense that you had as you started out building the company. Can you show me the last 5 meetings you went to, the purpose, the agenda, the agreed notes, the actions from each meeting, all on your mobile, with one click through to the context, why we're having the meeting in the first place? We spend so much time in meetings, yet the process is so inefficient and disconnected, and we attend the meetings using different tech. Some people writing down things on paper, others in a laptop, some using apps, some not. Do you see value in eliminating 95% of internal email? Not too long ago, we were arguing whether we could ever give up the fax machine, and now it's email. That's the next thing that's got to go. The next generation's already removed it. If your 16 to 20 email is reset password, let me back into the app that I'm using. And if you're in your 40s, 50s, and 60s working in digital product or technical teams, you've long since given up on the reliance on email. It's not critical because you're working in work collaboration tech. That's the majority of your time, and email's just something you have to do to keep the rest of the organization happy. If you can eliminate almost all internal email, then the email you do get becomes interesting. It's from customers, suppliers, and other partners. It's just external email. The volume's far less, and it's actually interesting to check email. Can everyone in your organization be effective from any location at any time? Bear in mind, COVID-19 is quite mild on the scale of what's possible with pandemics. Does everyone you work with love their work? Like really love their work? Nearly everyone. Think about it from an employee's perspective. They want you to see and appreciate they're adding value where it counts, and it's not a job for life. They're here to learn and contribute, feel valued, and be part of something bigger than them. And do you have a fast way to create, publish, and progress a challenge? No better way to get the whole organization rallied behind a cause than to give them a chance to submit ideas and innovate and collaborate together in response to a problem or something you're trying to create or a strategic initiative. You can do that easily inside stratapp. Do you track risks and mitigations for all the key aspects of your org? Typically, this gets handed to the CFO because it's an admin hassle, not just keeping the risks up to date, but also allocating them down through the organization. Who's going to take responsibility for what risks? And then collaborating. One click to the context. This risk relates to strategy. This relates to a key client. This a key person. This a project we're working on. And if I'm an employee, I'm asking, hey, we've got so many apps, but there's nothing to run the actual company. Some companies corporates will have over 100 apps, many over 50, and mid-market seem to be in that 15 to 25. It's a lot of apps for employees to have to go to just to get their work done. And then from their point of view, they just want to collaborate on the shared goals and plans that they want to work on and not get bogged down in single-use apps and a whole lot of notifications and distractions, creating noise. And when you ask yourself, what are the top 3 pain points in your organization and how will these change in the next 5 years? The questions we've just asked, could they help solve those? If the company did have everyone connected and working in the same place on strategy, execution, KPIs, OKRs, meetings, risks, challenges, ideas, if everyone was on the same page all of the time on those things, could it help alleviate those pain points or set you up for the changes that are coming in the next 5 years? as workforces go global, automation increases, markets move quicker, and we move to more distributed operating models. And when you think what 3 things have been holding back the organization in the past on strategy execution, and could they be solved by having everyone collaborating in the same place, not just on strategy, but also day-to-day work? Is it worth solving? You can solve all that and more in one app, stratapp. And our why is for you to love work, love life, and be effective anywhere, anytime, and have everything you need in your pocket. stratappsas.com. Check it out, folks. We hope you love it.